Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Fort Knox Company, and I'm going to show you how to change out your fog lights on your Tacoma, and I'm going to be using these lights from AUXITO. These are going to be an LED upgrade, and it's something that you can do without removing any parts. You can actually access the back of these lights and replace them in less than 5 minutes. You can do it all by just getting the hood up, and I'll show you guys how to do that. And I'll also put a link for these down in the description because I would highly recommend these lights from AUXITO. They make a whole series of different LED lights for your vehicle. A really big upgrade from what I had in the vehicle before, so I'll leave a link down there for these as well. But I'll show you what lights you need and how to put them in and how easy it is. So what these are the AUXITO LED fog lights, and I got these in amber. And you want to make sure that they are the H11, 8, or H16. That is the type of connection in the back, and that is what's going to work for these vehicles. So I have it right here. These are the LED ones, and they are amber. The ones I have before are kind of like a warm light. I don't even think that they're really amber, but it's a huge difference between going from a true amber LED and then these light bulbs that were in there before. So this is going to be a really cool change in the look for sure at night. But again, these lights from AUXITO are great and they're super easy to install. So when I'm going to change these fog lights right here, I don't have to do anything crazy. I don't have to remove any parts. I don't got to get under the vehicle. I can actually do everything right here through the hood from behind the headlight. I can just reach down and I can get all the way down to this light right here. So what you're going to do is you're actually just going to get your hand on the back of it. I'll show you here with the camera how far down it is. But again, it's only about a foot or two down behind that headlight. You can access the back of the light bulb. You give it that quarter turn again, just like the headlights. It has 3 little fins that you're going to line up. That is what you're unhooking. You're going to pull it out and then you can disconnect the back of the light. And then the plug that we're going to do is just reversing this with the new ones, where we're going to put that plug in, line up those tabs again. It goes one way. Once you have it all lined up, it should seat and then you can actually turn it. It's about a quarter turn, almost a half turn, but you'll feel it seat down and it'll have an even seal all the way around with your new lights. And it's just that simple. Maybe 2 minutes on this side and 2 minutes on the other side and you have it all done. And here on the passenger side, it's the exact same thing. The only difference, again, if you've done this with the headlights, you have your windshield wiper fluid right here, but it does have a cutout so you can access behind it with your hands. So same thing as you can come down in here, or you can come down here from the angle and you can reach right down here below, turn that bulb, pull it out. Once you have it out, you can then remove the clip, put the new clip back in with the new light. Again, insert it and line up those tabs. And then once you have it in the back, give it that turn. Everything has a right turn based on your reference. But again, it's just gonna be reversing the same thing we do, and it's about a quarter turn. Very quick, very easy, and you can access everything from inside the hood here. You don't need to remove any parts. And now that we have that all done, let's take a look at the truck. This is a real clean look. I think it's gonna definitely change the look at night. It's gonna look really, really cool. Now I actually have some true amber lights, and this is an LED upgrade. So the lifetime of these bulbs is gonna be a lot longer. I'm gonna have a lot brighter light. I'm not gonna have to worry about it for a long time. So I'd highly recommend these LED lights from AUXITO. Again, I'll put links for everything in the description, and I'll put a link to the other videos showing you how to change out your headlamps and your high beams and what bulbs you should use and the types of connectors. I know it can be a frustrating thing to order the wrong lights and then they don't even connect right. So I'll make sure I have the correct ones in there for you, and I'll list it in the description, the type of connection that you need to look for. But I'll put links for all that in the description. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below. Make sure you hit like and subscribe on the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.